Want to generate strong passwords with KeePassXC? Weak or reused passwords can put your online accounts at risk, but KeePassXC includes a built-in password generator that can create long, random, and unique passwords in just a few clicks. In this guide, I'll show you how to generate strong passwords with KeePassXC step by step. Let's get started. First, open KeePassXC and unlock your password database. Then open the password generator from the toolbar or while creating a new password entry. This tool lets you create a random password based on the settings you choose. Next, choose the length of your password. In general, longer passwords provide more protection, so choose a length that works for the website or service you're using. You can adjust the length using the available controls in the generator. Now choose which character types to include. You can combine uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. KeePassXC can also generate passwords using other available options, depending on your needs. The goal is to create a password that is long, unique, and difficult to guess. Once your settings are ready, generate the password. KeePassXC will create a random password based on your selected options. You can generate another password if needed, and review the password length and strength before using it. Finally, copy the generated password into your new password entry or use it for the account you're creating. Save the password entry and save your KeePassXC database. Storing the password in KeePassXC means you don't have to memorize every unique password you create. And that's how to generate strong passwords with KeePassXC. Using long, random, and unique passwords can help improve the security of your online accounts, while KeePassXC keeps them safely organized in your encrypted database. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.